It is out of question because kite can never be a parallelogram. See, this is kite. Kite means adjacent sides equal, opposite sides are never equal. So it is out of question. Other options are rectangle, rhombus and square. Let's check. Rectangle. The diagonals are always equal. Okay, so that is also out of question because they are given are 80 and 60. Square. Diagonals will always be equal. So that is also out of question. Rhombus. Yeah, rhombus can be. Diagonals are not equal, but they bisect each other. So that is not a question over here. But diagonals are not equal. That's important. So you can say that it's a type of rhombus. Diagonals of a square and rectangle are equal, hence out. Then kite is not a parallelogram, hence out. Only rhombus remains. So rhombus is the answer. Arun has 6 wooden sticks of equal length. He wants to join all of them in such a way that they make a regular polygon. At what internal angle he has to join the wooden stick with each other? So this basically 6 sticks can be joined. It will be a hexagon. Now we have to find this internal angle. So here there is a formula to find the interior angle of a regular polygon. That is 180 minus 360 upon n. This is basically exterior angle. So you solve this, you will get 180 into n minus 2 upon n. So this, if you put 6 over here, you will get the answer. But I suggest don't follow this rule. This you remember it. Someday in exam they might ask you. So you must remember this formula. But don't use it in daily practice. For use, I will give you the simple way. 6 sides so hexagon. So exterior angle equals to 360 upon n. Okay, this is a simpler way. So n is 6. So 360 upon 6, that is 60. Now exterior you know. Now what is the exterior and interior angle? They make a linear pair. Right? We want interior angle and exterior we know 60. So take 60 on this side. Interior angle equals to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. So this is the internal angle required. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months. You will definitely learn them. They will be useful to you throughout your life. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.